Okay, happy Sunday, everyone. I just want us to do a market review on Nas Daq for the week ahead. So it's Sunday for me. So this is where I come to the computer each Sunday. I look at Forex Factory, what news we have for the week ahead, and we'll do that together in a minute. So if we have a look, right, so we've got a fib drawn up. So we're currently on the daily. Now, our low point was here and then our high point was here. So if you have a look on the daily, we actually haven't reached the 50% retracement level yet on the daily. Okay, so to me, I think we're still going to get some bearish sentiment, right? So we've got the 50%, we've got the 618. If we're getting continuation to the upside, this is going to be a really good area for us to see price to come to bounce. If we look at the weekly, we can see we're actually not bearish on the weekly as such. We haven't broken structure. So again, if you look at this fib, this is telling us a story. For us to be bearish on the weekly, we need to break this low, right, to be in an actual downtrend. So we are overall still bullish on the higher time frames. It's when we drop down to lower time frames, we're bearish, right? So yeah, so we can see price still has these areas of interest to come into for the week ahead. If we look at the 4 hour, something like the 4 hour, we are very bearish. We've had structure broken. So you can see on the 4 hour, right, we've had a break of structure to the downside on the 4 hours. So we're bearish on the 4 hour. If we drop down even further, we're bullish, even further bullish, but obviously the higher time frames is our story, isn't it? So if we go to the daily again, we can see those areas we're looking at for areas of interest. We got in on this sell New York Friday, which you'll see on my video that's being uploaded, which you've probably already seen by now. So yeah, that's what we're looking into coming into this week. So I'm just going to pause this for a minute and bring up Forex Factory. Okay, so if we have a look at this Forex Factory for the week ahead, I also want to share before we get into this that really with trading, for me, we don't predict. So looking at that chart, we can definitely see we've got some bearish sentiment going on, right? But I'm not going to look at that and go, oh yeah, 100%, we're selling this week. You know, you trade what you see, right? So whatever price gives you, you trade. So coming into Monday will be the same thing. What liquidity has price drawn to, right? And then I know which way I'm going in the market. So I never just predict and go, all right, I'm jumping into this. Trade what you see. Okay, so Monday we've got some red folder news, actually 9:45 p.m. This is my time, I believe I've changed it to. Let me just check. Yeah, so it's yeah, my time at the moment is 10:50 a.m. where I am. So yeah, so 9:45 p.m. So we've got red folder Monday. We've got a big week of red folder news. So Monday we've got red folder for New York. So really this is only going to affect you if you're trading New York session. Just be aware of the times of your red folder news with your trading, because you can get some quite a bit of volatility. Tuesday we've also got jolts. That's not till 10 p.m. So that's a good 30 minutes before after open. Wednesday we got red folder ADP, non-farm employment change. Thursday, so we've literally got red folder every day this week. And if we look at last week, we were, Monday none. We were pretty good last week, and I mean, it was a great trading week, to be honest. It was a profitable week. I was happy with last week. So yeah, let's see how we go this week. I usually, as normal, I'll go to London, see if I get a setup. If I do, great. If I don't, I then do trade New York. So this last week gone, I did trade New York a fair bit, just because London, I either missed my trades, as in my trade didn't get activated, the pending order didn't get filled. So let's see what this week brings. But yeah, just be aware, a lot of red folder, and yeah, trade what you see. Don't predict. All right, guys, have a great week.